sunrise. Oh my god, that's amazing. I love this room. Best room ever.
Rocking chair?
Rocking chair, best room ever.
It's about 5 o'clock in the morning.
Naghahanap din si Dada ng coffee. Wala tayong coffee.
So another turn.
We're gonna get later. Hey! Gising na! Gising na! Gising na! Gising na! Gising na! Naku, nabidyohan ka na ni Daddy.
5 minutes, 5 minutes.
Gising na! Gising na! Ah! Gising na!
Look at these girls.
Gising na! O, ang pampone mo, malagdag sa ilalim.
Here we go. Mamu EJ putting on makeup.
You have the same outfit.
Makeup time. Dada relaxing.
Outfit. Sabi ni Daddy. Mababa ka na lang dun. Mukha ka pa.
Hi boys.
Ay daw.
Nag-hi kami talaga.
Talaga si ate.
Busy.
Yee-hee. There we go, buffet. Rice.
Daddy.
Hi. Hi, Bana.
Hi, Bana. Take a picture of her dad.
I am. I did.
Okay, come on. We're partners today. Ano tayo? Ito lang? Sino pa? One banana also. Wala rin siya upuan. Here, Bana.
go. Morning.
Good morning, Kuya Oden.
So, Chocolate Hills tayo muna, ma'am.
Okay, sige, Kuya.
1 hour 45 minutes ang biyahe.
On yung drive?
Apo, yes po.
Internet.
Oh, there is no internet, baby.
Open. Move the Bluetooth.
Hi. Say hi to Daddy first. Hi. We're going to Chocolate Hills in Bohol.
Go.
Let's go.
Time to eat chocolate.
Time to eat chocolate from the hills. Wow, look at that. Mangrove.
Was that Daddy's school?
No, that's mangrove. Look, there are trees in the water.
Mm-hmm.
Those are mangroves.
Yun po ang city, Tagbilaran City.
Oh,
Tagbilaran City on your left.
Yan na po yung mainland, ma'am. Mainland ng Bohol. Ito kasi Panglao Island.
Oh, we are in the island,
Ah,
Panglao. And then ito na yung Bohol.
Mga, mga nasa 320 ang kilo. Ano. Yung mga crabs. Yun.
Wow, look at that.
Yung lubok ganito rin.
Oh, lubog also
Sasakay
like that.
ng bangka habang naglalans. Pero iba yun. Ito ay luway.
Luway.
Apo.
Bagay, mga honor student naman. Oh, look at that view. May banaya. Look, oh, that's how they work. Oh, look. It's rice. It's like, that's how they grew rice. Oh, see? You don't have that there in California. Si Daddy Joe, nakasakay na siya sa ganyan. Ako hindi po. Oh, it's like,
Ito mga 60 years old na. Yung mga puno na ito.
Okay, Mommy, it's your turn. Mommy, it's your turn.
Nice, eh?
Okay, skip.
yeah.
Wow.
That's
Mamaya picture tayo mamaya dito.
Oh, you don't, I thought you would do spine.
So tayo dito sa Bohol Country.
Daddy. Ellie! EJ, come here. Family natin.
What is that? That's creepy.
Ellie, there's a dog. Come here. Daddy, come.
Ay, nasa cellphone na.
Meron pa dun sa loob mo. I love Bohol. Kuya Oden, saan yung CR? Okay. Uy kami, I love Bohol. Ayun.
They also have long tail measuring between 7 to 11 inches long, and they use their tail to balance during jumping. Each eyeball is approximately 16 millimeters in diameter. Their eyes are fixed, much like they cannot move their eyeballs. birth, open eyes, and they are able to jump within the day of birth. They also can breastfeed their babies for 8 months. Berkshires can live from 15 to 24 years. They are insectivorous, and they can also eat lizards and small birds. They are nocturnal type of animals, which means they are active.
Come on, we have to catch up.
Okay, please observe silence po sa loob. Ito, flash po.
Come on, come on. Walk, walk.
Kung kailan talaga malapit tayo, no, tsaka ako yan.
Tingin ka sa harap mo.
Ang galing.
Sa malaking dahon. May isa dyan. Nakatago siya. Nakita mo, sir?
Small.
May isa din doon kasi. Soda? Ay, so small.
Ay, this, oh, para. No. Here, oh.
Look on the leaf.
Hindi niya nakikita. Tumitingin siya sa puno. Here lang, oh.
This one. The big one.
Under the leaf.
Saan naman? Oh, yeah.
Ay, eto, kita siya dito.
Wait, you see one more?
No. Hi.
Ayan na naman siya. Dudulas na naman.
So slippery. I saw that tarsier. I saw that tarsier. It's sleeping. Ayan, another big tarsier.
Well, galing.
Isa-isa lang siya. Solo. You see?
Oh yeah, I see.
Mamo.
Why are their hands so big?
Ano yan? Yan na yung talagang laki niya ate.
Yeah, that's the biggest.
Yan na pala yung size niya, mami.
Smallest.
The smallest one. Let's go. Dahan-dahan na. Sleepy, Harry. Go, Daddy.
Nanay, umawak ka nga pababa.
Mamo, mawak ka ha?
Yes.
Kaya ano tayo sa mamo?
Ellie, careful, Ellie.
Ellie, it's so slippery.
Hello. Wala tayong pigs na dala.
Bawal.
Ah, bawal po ba? Kala ko kailangan.
At the house.
Si Philip.
Why are their heads like a monster?
Philip, nakita na kita. Sino? Ang mga lahi mo. Si Mate.
Dapat may mga name yung cashier nila. Ito si Lasco.
Ay, ganun.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Oh, this is a good one. Oh, ganda.
Mamu, gising ka, gising.
Nagising din.
Hello.
Hello.
Meron dyan, baby.
Mm.
I don't want to see each other.
Ay, ba't nakatalikod ka, be? Ayaw niya. Sorry siya, introverted. Introverted siya.
Oh, that really scary, baby.